guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily Talk. Today we are going to be looking at something interesting and important. Of course, everything is important in the world. Today we are going to be looking at a phrase. The phrase which we are going to be looking at today is going to be ace it. Ace it. The meaning of ace it is to do something exceptionally well. Now let's look at a practice sentence for more clear and a better understanding. The practice sentence is, I stayed up last night, but it worth it as I aced in my chemistry exam. Okay guys, that's all for today. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye bye, see you all, bye bye, see you later. If you want to express something or you want to appreciate someone who did exceptionally well, you can use the phrase ace it. Okay guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. See you later. Hope you understood.